you? I hope that all of you are well, and in lockdown all of you take care of health. Stay at home and keep steady. Right now, okay. My second part are sources of energy in second video is crude oil, their product, liquefied petroleum gas, natural gas, and CNG, compressed natural gas. Previous video, all of you watch it, that crude oil, in which way you get different types of oils like petrol, diesel, means what are the components or what are the products of crude oil or petroleum. And there I told that by fractional distillation at different temperature we get petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, paraffin wax, pitch, etc. But you think these are fuels? What, all these are fuels? No, all these are not fuels. Among them, few are fuels and few are not fuels. Now, you see the product. In fractional distillation, when we heated crude oil, petroleum, जिसको कच्चा तेल बोलते हैं, more than the 4 degrees Celsius, some are vaporized. Those are less volatile materials are there. After condense, they settle down, they come downside. Those are more volatile is there, they just upside. And these products, I hope that you know it. Again, I remind you, these products are LPG, means petroleum gas. Leave it LPG, only you see PG, petroleum gas. Petrol, kerosene, diesel, fuel oil, petroleum ether, lubricating oil, grease, petroleum jelly, paraffin wax, and pitch. These are the products of petroleum. And according to use, if you categorize the product of this petroleum, then there are two categories are there. There are two groups are there. First group is petroleum products used as fuels. Second is petroleum product not used as fuel. Means after fractional distillation, after refining of crude oil, the two types of petroleum product we get. And these two types petroleum product we can categorize in two groups. One which we use as a fuel and another not as a fuel. Now, those petroleum products you use as a fuel, these are petroleum gas, and when petroleum gas at high pressure we liquefied it, then it turn in the form of liquefied petroleum gas. That's why I wrote here LPG. Petrol, already you know. Kerosene, maximum all of used to use in stoves. Diesel, car, buses, truck, fuel oil. Now petroleum product not used as a fuel, these are petroleum ether, lubricating oil, grease, petroleum jelly, paraffin wax, and pitch. Right now, after that, next point is there LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. But I know that in fractional distillation, when you heat this crude oil more than the 4 degrees Celsius, what happened? This petroleum vaporized, and this vapor is petroleum gas, and when this petroleum gas liquefied at high pressure, it turned in the form of liquid petroleum gas. Now, what is liquefied petroleum gas? Yeah, keep in your mind. Expanded form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Now, what is LPG? The petroleum gas which is liquefied under pressure is called liquefied petroleum gas. And in LPG, main component of LPG is butane. What is butane? Chemical formula butane is C4H10 and few components of a few part of ethane and propane. But mainly butane is there. Means, in another word, we can tell it, you can say it that butane is liquefied petroleum gas. And this, the liquefied petroleum gas, it is heavier than air, near about 1.2 times to 1.5 times heavier than air. Understood? I hope that all of you understood it. Right now, beta, you see, this LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. That's why we keep in cylinder. All of you know LPG in your home, in your house, in kitchen. You see that. I think that all of you have LPG cylinder, and not only LPG cylinder, LPG gas will be there. Right now, since it is a high pressure in liquid form, that's why, suppose question is there, why we keep LPG in cylinder? Well, the answer of this question is there. Since it is liquefied petroleum gas, means it is in the form of liquid, that's why we keep in cylinder. And it is highly inflammable. Already you know it. And beta, one thing you know, very surprised thing is there right now. And when you listen this, you will be confused. Sir, you are wrong. What I am wrong? LPG is odorless. There is no smell of LPG. Colorless, odorless. Highly inflammable is there, but it odorless. There is no any smell. What, am I right? Think. Yeah, I hope that if any confusion, I clarify it. Really, liquefied petroleum gas is odorless, means there is no smell is there. But find its leakage. To find its leakage, because you know that if odorless there, no smell is there, and it is highly inflammable. If anywhere leakage is there, it is not possible to catch it. And due to inflammability, what happened? Anywhere in your house where sparking is there, anywhere you use lighter, what happened? It catches fire. To find the leakage of LPG, we mix a chemical, and that chemical name is ethyl mercaptan. That chemical name is ethyl mercaptan, and formula of ethyl mercaptan is C2H5SH. Clear? Means LPG is odorless. There is no any smell. Yeah. To get their leakage, to find their leakage, we mix, or in LPG, ethyl mercaptan is there, and that ethyl, when anywhere leakage is there, this ethyl mercaptan smell is spread throughout it, and we get it. Yeah, anywhere leakage is there, gas leakage is there. Understood? Keep your mind. Which chemical we mix with LPG? Ethyl mercaptan, and formula of ethyl mercaptan is C2H5SH. Understood? Now, next point is why LPG is an ideal fuel. Okay, before this, one question is there. Why we keep stove of LPG above the LPG cylinder? You know, because it is heavier than LPG, heavier than air, and it liquefied under pressure, and all of you know anything in pressure, then what happens when it get chance to move outside or anywhere small hole is there, then what happen? With very fast it move upside. That's why we keep LPG stoves above the LPG cylinder. In kitchen, I think that everyone know it. Now, why it is an idle fuel? But all of you know. Suppose that your birthday party is there. Near about 100 guests are there. But one or two cylinder LPG cylinder, one or two LPG cylinder means 30 kg or maximum 32 kilogram gas is sufficient to cook for 100%, but 100 kg, 200 kg woods are not sufficient to cook for all these persons. Right now, you see, when LPG burn, what? When LPG burn, it lives as no. But when woods, it lives as. When LPG burn, it releases smoke. Never. But woods release smoke. And you know that those fuels lives as, release more smokes, they produce less heat. But in LPG, no smoke, no ash. I think that all of you understand it. That's why LPG is an ideal fuel. Okay. If question will be there, then what you write? First point is there. You write in any sequence. There no matter is there. But here, first point, LPG burn with blue smokeless flame. It means clear flame is there, and blue smokeless flame means it is eco-friendly. It is eco-friendly means there is no pollution. Second point, it's a high calorific value. Sorry. It's a high calorific value means in less amount it produces more heat. The calorific value of LPG is 50 kilogram joule per gram. Means if 1 gram LPG burn, then it produces 50 kilojoule heat. Next point is cheaper. Just I get example, 2 cylinder in your birthday party, and 100 kg wood. Simple. 2 cylinder means 1000 rupees. Rate, you see rate. If you leave subsidy of the cylinder, then maximum 1000 rupees. And if the cost of 1 kg wood is 10 rupees, then 200, you compare it. It's cheap or not? It is cheaper. Fuel is there. And beta, easily 200 kg woods, if I ask you to store anywhere, there is space and 2 cylinder. Which one cover more space? Cylinder or woods? Woods? No, cylinder. Cylinder. 2 cylinders, size cylinder already you know it, 15 kg, 16 kg cylinder. And 200 kg means 2 quintal. But the cylinder cover less space. In kitchen you can keep it. But these woods you can keep never. It means what? Easily we can handle it. And when class were there, then I told you nothing you know, few points you learn it. Easy to handle it, easy to transport it right now, and the cost of fuel in your pocket money means cheap is there. That's why liquefied petroleum gas is an ideal fuel. Now after that we will come here natural gas. But I know that where we get crude oil inside, right now crude oil there inside the earth crust, and where crude oils are there, in between space is there. And all of you know, when you go move towards inside the earth crust, the temperature will increase, and due to the increase of temperature, what happen? These crude oils vaporize, and these vapor are in between the earth crust and that crude oil, and these are in the form of natural gas. Means this vapor is natural gas. Now what is natural gas? You see, natural gas, the gas, right now the gas a mixture of lower hydrocarbon, means the gaseous mixture of lower hydrocarbon, means natural gas is mixture of lower hydrocarbon which occurs deep inside the earth, alone or covering the crude oil in an oil field is called natural gas. Means where crude oil is there, that crude oil is covered by the vapor. Vapor means gas, gaseous particles, and these gaseous particles are, means these vapors are natural gas. Lower hydrocarbon means butane? No. Lower hydrocarbon means where less hydrogen. Means methane. Means main components of natural gas is methane. And it is also an ideal fuel. Why? Easily we can handle it. When it burns, it produces less smoke. Means it burns blue smokeless flame. It means what? It is eco-friendly. Easily we can transport it, or easily we can transfer one place to another place by pipelines. Right now, it has also high calorific value. High calorific value means the calorific value of natural gas is also 50 kilojoule per gram. And when this natural gas compressed means when make pressure on this natural gas, it change in the form of compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas means what? CNG. CNG. All of you understood? CNG. Expanded form of CNG is their compressed natural gas. And where we use, already you know that, in automobiles, car, truck, buses, auto. Right now, why? Because it is a clean fuel. It is an ideal fuel. When it burns, it produces less smoke and more heat. And you know that this CNG is also we can transfer one place to another place by pipelines. Right now, I hope that all of you understood it. Means in petroleum, when you heated petroleum, or in fractional distillation, when you heated petroleum more than 400 degrees Celsius, what we get? Petroleum gas. And when petroleum gas at high pressure, it turns in the form of liquid. That's why liquefied petroleum gas. After that, the area, a crude oil covered by a gas, that gas is natural gas. And this natural gas, when compressed, means when high pressure is there on this natural gas, it convert in compressed natural gas. And it means what? Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, natural gas, CNG, all these are ideal fuel. Means if question will be there, why LPG is an ideal fuel? Their answer. Why CNG is an ideal fuel? Their answer. Why CNG is an ideal fuel? Their answer are same. Same answers are there. What? It burns with blue smokeless flame, means eco-friendly, high calorific value, 50 kilojoule per kilogram. Right now, it is cheap. Right now, easy to handle it, easy to store it. Yeah, the components are different. LPG, in LPG, main components of LPG, butane. In natural gas, lower hydrocarbons are there, that is methane. Understood? This is your first, means these are the parts of crude oils. Now next discussion will be nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Right now, and in when class were there, that time I taught you that hydropower plant, thermal power plant. Right now, biomass. In biomass, what? Woods are there. After that, biogas is there. In general word, biogas is also known as the gobar gas. Right now, there I taught you that in gobar gas plant, in biomass plant, in biogas plant, I taught there that slurry will be there, digester will be there. When slurry will fed up in digester. Right now, and in when it decompose in absence of air, that gas produced, that gas is the highly inflammable gas. That gas through pipe we use in different work in cooking. Why? Because this is also a fuel. Right now, I hope that all of understood, and those chapter, those topics we discussed here, beta, please at home all of you revise it, and in one day you give time. Suppose that Sunday you give time to revise all points, all topics which you learned here. Right now, okay, thank you.